Yo, what's going on, folks? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. And today, bruh, interestingly so, last week I made a video about this sneaker, right? I was talking about how much I didn't really want those. I wanted the Italian camo, right? That's what I said. I tried for all three of them, right? I ain't hit on not damn one of them. But I did. I thought I didn't. It just took a long time for that dub to come through. What we talking about, man? Got the black box tag action. We got the Venice Beach joints in, man. The Kobe 8 Protro Venice Beach. Obviously, the 3-pack came out on Mamba Day, and they came out with the Philly, right? Because Kobe was born in Philly. They came out with the Italian camo because he grew up in Italy for some years. And then they came with the Venice Beach, which is an ode to him being in Los Angeles. Venice Beach being one of the more popular beach destinations in California with its vibrant scene. That's where these come from, man. So without further ado, bruh, let's get at it. So let's get this thing open, man. Oh yeah. Ain't even gonna lie to you though. Like, we don't do that here on the set, right? I don't. But I'm gonna hit you with the cliche line of the century for every sneakerhead, right? Oh, these look different in hand. I ain't gonna cap. They actually do look different in hand. They look a lot different in hand. And they started to grow on me last week. And when I hit on Saturday, I kept looking at them. I was like, I actually kind of like those. I may have fell victim to the hype, but I don't think so. Number one, orange is my favorite color. We got orange, folks. We got a lot of orange. And it's vibrant too. So I think that's what changed my mind. And then just the design. Now, these did release in 2013. So this is a re-release, but it's in the Protro, like, makeup now. We got the whole insole here that's about this thick, full of React cushion, right? And yeah, it ain't much to this shoe because it's a Kobe 8, right? But what you're gonna get is a lightweight shoe and some vibrant colors. Now, I'ma just keep it a buck. I don't know what I'm going to wear with these. I don't, not at all. Am I gonna keep them? Yep, because I like the colors. I didn't think I would. I was on video saying that I didn't think I would, but now that I have them in hand and I see just how much that orange pops, yeah, it's gonna make a big difference, man. So definitely a summertime vibe with these. I might even wear these California and be a cornball when I go out there this summer to LA. But enough of that. Drop me a comment below, man, whether you like this shoe, whether you like Philly or you like the Italian camo, because I was on record. I entered like 10 raffles for the Italian camo and then didn't hit either one of them. And then when the freaking draw came around, didn't hit that either. So I don't know, man. But as holding tradition with the sizing for this shoe, right? I always have to go a whole size up because Kobe's run tight. They are a performance shoe. They run tight. It's damn near impossible to get a 12.5, so I got a 13. Every pair of Kobe's I got, they're in size 13, and that's like that with my SB Dunks too. I had to go up a whole size versus a half size, so yeah. Of course, they already been on feet. You can check out the B-roll right here with them joints on feet. I know, Pete, the sock game, them joints is crazy. I know, but it's cool though. These joints right here slap, man. They definitely going to the toe when I find something to go with them. Now, the crazy part about this shoe is that before these were re-released, these shoes went upwards of, in the size 12.5, maybe $2,700. That's crazy. So that's one of those reasons why I don't like to play that resale game, bro, because those prices could go down and you be sitting there looking like boo boo boo. Or Nike just will retro them and we'll get them again and all is fine as well at that point. $2,750 for this? Nah, bro, it ain't happening. I wasn't gonna do that. But I just figured I'd drop that little nugget in there. These was $2,700 back before they retro. Now they probably going for about maybe $280, maybe $300 in the 12.5. So I don't know. I don't really care. I got mine for the retail, bro. Never doing resale. Yeah. Now the details on this shoe, man, is actually bananas. We have the laces there with the speckles in them. I don't know whether, yeah, those are just speckles. Nothing fancy. I love the accents on this shoe. Now that I have it in hand, bro, I really do love the accents on it. And this gray here, man, if I was a betting person, I'd say that gray is almost on a violet purple-ish hue or something like that. It just don't look like a real gray to me, but I got glasses on, so you know how that go. I might be blind, who knows? But as far as details, man, you can't beat it. You got that clear outsole there with the Kobe logo right there. The usual traction patterns for Kobe 8s, and yeah, ain't much to this shoe, bro. It ain't much to this shoe. If you like them, you might want to go get them now, because if it holds true, just like the original ones were, price probably gonna go up a couple years from now. Not that we care. I'm just saying, if you want them, you might want to go get them while they at a decent price right now. Yeah, drop me a comment below on whether you went for these, you caught mad L's, you caught a couple dubs, a dub, you don't like them, whatever. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think about these joints, man. It's a real short video, bro, but I got plenty of B-roll for you. So with that being said, hit that like and subscribe button, bro. We trying to go to the moon, bro. That's what we trying to do here on the set. I am your boy, Money Max, with the Kobe 8 Protro Venice Beach, and we gone. We
so full of that lean, don't blow my eye. Cause I'm on that gasoline, chillin' with a gangster lean. Shorty, I'm doing my thing, yeah. You know it's on. You know it's on. Shorty, you know it's on. You know it's on. You know I'm on it. Pull up in that bum 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 bum. We ride out. We bum 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 bum, we riding on that. We bum 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 bum, we riding on that. We bum 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 bum.